How to fix Roblox crashing without the error message. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'll show you how you can fix the Roblox crashes that don't give an error message. So it's a quick and easy fix, so follow along. So if Roblox crashes while you're playing or even just browsing the menus, it could be for several reasons. And here are the few things that you can try. You can try lowering the graphics quality if possible. If you can get into the game and you have an older computer or a laptop, you can just simply go ahead and pause the game first and then go to its setting menu and lower the graphics quality. And this can free up memory and reduce stress on your computer, which can help prevent crashes. Another thing you can do is reinstall Roblox. For that, you need to go ahead and open Add and Remove Programs. From here, simply scroll down and search for Roblox application, or you can also use the search bar in the top. Select it, tap on uninstall again to confirm, and you'll be done. After that, go to roblox.com, the official webpage of Roblox. From here, simply go ahead and select a game that you'd like to play, and the Roblox application will be automatically installed on your computer. Now try updating the graphics driver. For that, you need to go ahead and type in Device Manager and open it. Now from the menu that appears, select Display Adapters and extend this menu. Select your graphics driver, right-click on it and select Update Driver. Hopefully one of these steps will help you fix the Roblox crashing issues. So if this video helped, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.